Right, we got 2012 Mazda CX-9. The car Carmin have a cylinder 5 misfire firing, and right, so we swap the coils. This is number 5 cylinder. We swap the coils, did not change, and now I just start to sculpt the injectors waveform. So it's the channel 1 of the scope. I tap into the injector number 5 control pin, and channel 3 we got into the I put into the injector circuit at the fuse. So now, so you will see the channel 3 here, channel 1, channel 3. So now I start the car, then you will see the difference. So I stop. This is number 5. I stop now. So number 5 injector control, number 5 current ramp up here. So in comparison, I think there's high resistance in the number 5 injectors.